Good morning to all members of MMM Global Philippines. By the way, I'm Richard Echebarri, one of the ordinary participants of MMM Global from Tarlac, Philippines. By the way, this is my second get help with my account, and I provided help last October 5, 2015 in the amount of 40,000 pesos. And by October 29, 2015, I asked get help in the amount of 51,100 pesos, and I successfully received it with my blockchain account. At isang napakalaking tulong sa akin at sa pamilya ko ang MMM Global dahil nadaragdagan nito ang income ko at nakatulong sa aking pinansyal na pangailangan. Isang malaking pasalamat ang binigay sa mga participant at sa founder ng MMM Global na si Sir Sergi Mabludi. Sana'y magpatuloy pa ang magandang ideology ng MMM Global. Mabuhay! And this is really the best.